Dear children, today we will discuss about trigonometric ratios. In a right angle triangle ABC, AB is adjacent side to angle A, BC is opposite side to angle A, and AC is hypotenuse. See, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle A equal to theta. Then there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are, first one, sin theta. Sin theta is equals to opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. What is opposite side to angle A? See, observe clearly. This is opposite side to angle A or theta. That is called opposite side to angle A. Right? That is BC by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC. So BC by AC. Second one, cos theta. Here theta means angle A only, nana. So theta equals to adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side to angle A? That is AB only. AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, what is that? AC. Okay. Third one, tan theta. Same like that. Opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. What is opposite side to angle A? See, observe clearly. Opposite side to angle A means what is that? BC only. BC only. BC by adjacent side to angle A means AB. So tan theta equals to here BC by AB. Next one, cot theta. Cot theta means here adjacent side to angle A by opposite side to angle A. What is the adjacent side here? Adjacent side angle A means AB by opposite side to angle A means BC. Right? Next one, secant theta. Secant theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle A. Hypotenuse means what now? AC. AC by adjacent side to angle A. What is adjacent side to angle A means? AB. AC by AB. Next one, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means hypotenuse by opposite side to angle A. What is hypotenuse here? AC only. AC by opposite side to angle A. What is opposite side to angle A means? Here BC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. After that, you have to discuss relation between trigonometric ratios. We know there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. See, observe clearly. Sin theta equals to 1 by cosecant theta. Sin theta equals to 1 by cosecant theta. Or cosecant theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Second one, cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta. Or secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Next one, tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Or cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta also, it can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Or cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Those are the relation between trigonometric ratios. See, observe clearly. If you know those ratios, then trigonometric sums also very easy. Next video we will discuss about trigonometric identities and values. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like it. Thank you very much.